Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. And of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magos PH. Ayan. In today's video, Aries, alamin natin kung ano ang mga kaganapan sa iyong love life. Ano mga dapat ninyong malaman, ano mga nangyayari, anong posibleng mangyari din, kapalaran. Okay? Now, paalala lang Aries, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, cross-watchers, lahat po ng tarot and rune readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin nyo lang kung sa kayo nag-resonate Aries at iwan yung hindi. Alright, let's start. Aries. Aries, for this oracle, kukuha ko ng 3 for your main energies. Okay? 3 for Aries. Sa love, relationship, and home life. Okay? Love. Big love. This is the one you have both been waiting for. Okay? Next, you have abundance. Together, you create good fortune and prosperity. And you have a release. Finding love after being trapped or held back. Aries. Wow. Okay. Now, for your tarot cards, Aries. Love, relationship, and home life. Itong reading na to. Family and home. Okay, family and home. Love, family, and home. Love, family, and home. For Aries. Love, family, and home. For Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Okay. Aries, you have the 3 of Cups. Or dito na lang kaya. Itong abundance and release. Ayan, yung 3 dito yan. Okay. You have the 2 of Cups. You have the 2 of Pentacles. Next, you have the Knight of Wands. The 9 of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. King of Swords. You have the Sun. Okay. Alright, Aries. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng mga pampaswerte, pang-attract ng love, career growth, protection, healing, at iba pang spiritual items na makakatulong sa problema o pangangailangan ninyo, message nyo lang po ako sa FB page, Bonum Magos PH, na may blue check, verified ni Meta. At kung gusto nyo naman ng private reading, ritual, o distance Reiki healing, libre na ito basta bumili kayo ng item sa akin na may kasamang inclusions. Pwede nyo rin i-visit ang aking official website, www.bonumagosph.com, para makita ang benefits ng bawat item at malaman kung alin ang bagay sa'yo. Tandaan, may gabay ka, may liwanag kang pwedeng sandalan. Nandito ang Bonum Magos PH para tumulong. Manifest wisely and choose with intention. Okay, Aries. Big love. Let's start with this oracle card. Okay, so this is the one you have been waiting for. Okay, malakas ang energy ng soulmate connection dito. Aries, kung single ka, may paparating na tunay at takilang pag-ibig na hindi mo na kailangang hanapin. Parang itutulak kayo ng universe papunta sa isa't isa. Okay? Kung may partner ka na Aries, this is a sign that this is the one at posibleng next level na ang relationship ninyo. This could also mean engagement. This could mean moving in together, or may wedding vibes akong nasasagap dito sa energy na to, with this big love energy. Now, sa family and home life, may sense of emotional safety at malalim na understanding sa household. Okay, parang finally, may taong darating o meron ka ng kasama na nagpaparamdam ng tunay na belongingness at loyalty. Pwede rin itong maging sign ng reconciliation kung may tampuhan sa pamilya. Okay. Sa Abundance Oracle card, together you create good fortune and prosperity. Wow! So, sa love aspect mo, Aries, ito ay hindi lamang romantikong connection, kundi power couple energy. Ang love life mo ay hindi lang nagbibigay kilig, kundi security rin, emotional and financial. Kaya kung may partner ka na, expect more blessings together sa business venture ninyo. Kung may business kayo, stable income or investments. Kung single ka naman, Aries, ang susunod mong partner ay magiging katuwang mo, hindi lang sa puso kundi sa pangarap. Kaysa family and home life mo, Aries, expect growth and blessings sa tahanan. Wow! Maari magkaroon ng financial improvement sa loob ng pamamahay, renovations, bagong appliances, or new additions to the family. Posibleng may isang family member na makakahanap ng magandang trabaho o claim this o may magandang balita para sa buong household or buong family. Okay, and you have the release. Aries, kung galing ka sa past heartbreak, ito yung sign na handa ka na mag-let go at buksan ang puso mo muli. There's healing energy here. Okay, kung nasa relationship ka ngayon, Aries, parang may bigat. Okay, malapit na ang breakthrough or emotional release nito. Either itatama ang relationship or ikaw ay palalayain sa mas nararapat na pag-ibig. Okay, so family and home life, Aries, may lumang issue na kailangan ng bitawan like conflict, expectations, guilt, or resentment. Maaring may isa sa bahay o pamilya na magiging open na makikipag-ayos. Kung ikaw ay matagal lang nahirapan emotionally sa home life, this is your sign na better days are ahead, lalo na't natututo kang palayain ang hindi mo na kontrolado. Okay, so final summary sa oracle cards mo together. Okay, all of these 3 cards. Aries, isang napakagandang turning point ang darating sa iyo sa love aspect mo and home life. Okay, home and family life. Sa pag-ibig, may bagong simula o solid renewal, isang big love na both fulfilling and supportive. Sa family at tahanan, may signs ng stability, emotional healing, at blessings. Kung dati kang napapagod, ito na ang panahon ng pag-alis sa mabigat at emosyon at pag-welcome sa prosperous at mapagmahal na enerhiya. Okay, message from the universe, Aries, is let go of the past, open your heart to the true love, and watch your home life bloom with joy and abundance. Okay? Ayan. So, now punta naman tayo sa mga tarot cards mo. Aries. Okay, you have big love. You have abundance. Release. Kasama nito, you have the 2 of Cups, the 3 of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. Okay. Ito na yung once in a lifetime love mo, Aries. Either paparating na pa lang sa'yo sa buhay mo, or nasa paligid mo na pero hindi mo pa fully nakikita. Okay. Ang energy ng mga cards na to ay divinely guided connection. Aries, ibig sabihin, pinagtagpo kayo ng tadhana. Hindi dahil sa aksidente, kundi dahil nakalaan talaga kayo para sa isa. Wow! Okay, hindi lang ito romantic, kundi partner in goals, growth, and gain. Kapag nagtagpo kayo ng taong ito, hindi lang kilig ang hatid, kundi stability. Okay, magkakaroon kayo ng magandang synergy, supportive, empowering, and prosperous ang relationship ninyo. Maaaring magtutulungan kayo sa negosyo, sa career, or creative pursuits. Ayan, hindi lang puso ang mapupuno, pati wallet, pangarap at tiwala sa sarili. Oh my God! Okay? Ayan. And kung galing ka naman sa toxic, controlling, or mabigat na relasyon, this is a huge message of healing. Okay, pwede rin itong emotional baggage na dala mo pa. Universe is urging you to let go, tapusin na ang cycle dahil hindi ka pa talaga makakatanggap ng big love habang may takot or galit ka pa sa puso mo, Aries. Kapag nakalaya ka na emotionally, Doon darating ang bagong pag-ibig na hindi makulit, hindi magulo, kundi malaya at totoo. Now, with the Two of Cups, ito yung literal na soulmate, no? O mutual love card. Magkakaroon ka ng pantay na pagmamahalan. Hindi siya one-sided. Hindi palaging may hinahabol. Pwede rin itong reconciliation kung may the one that got away energy. Ayan. You will feel respected, seen, at valued. Both emotionally and spirituality. Okay? Spiritually. The Three of Cups, with the Three of Cups energy, love through celebration and community. So, maaring makikilala mo siya sa gatherings, through friends, or may third party na tumulong maglapit sa inyo. Kung taken ka na, Aries, ito ay confirmation na magiging mas masaya at mas sweet pa kayo in the coming months. Pwede ring engagement, party, or travel as a couple. Okay, the Knight of Wands, ito yung mainit ang energy. Ayan, passion, flirtation, and physical connection, Aries. Ikaw man o ang taong ito ay very charismatic, exciting, and go-getter. Pero warning lang, okay? Slow down and ground yourself para hindi maging padalos-dalos. This love can move fast, Aries. Pero dapat sabayan ng depth and maturity. Okay, sa family life mo, with the Three of Cups, the Sun, and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Hindi lang love life ay may celebration sa iyo, Aries, kundi pati pamilya. May paparating na masayang balita. This could be baby, kasal, birthday, panalo, graduation, o tagumpay ng isang family member. Bonding time ang nakikita rito. Could also be reunions, family outings, or simpleng masasayang salo-salo. Okay? And the Sun, with the Sun energy, napakaliwanag ng energy na to. Aries, this could mean happiness, warmth, harmony. Lalo na kung galing kayo sa season ng tampuhan or stress, ito ang panahon ng pagkakaayos, kalinawan at kasiyahan sa bahay. Okay? You'll feel more loved and secure. Ang mga anak, kung meron, ay magiging source of joy at healing. The Nine of Pentacles, Aries, ikaw yung rock ng pamilya dito. Whether ikaw ang breadwinner, emotional supporter, or tagapamagitan. Ako yung parang referee, kumbaga. You are admired for your strength and independence. Okay. Isa rin itong sign na darating ang panahon na mag-i-enjoy ka ng bunga ng iyong mga sinasakripisyo. So, comfort, peace, and financial ease. Now, sa home life, okay, punta tayo sa home life ninyo. Sa aspeto ng inyong home life, you have the Two of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, Aries, marami ka sigurong pinapasan. Trabaho, finances, and home duties. Parang juggling act araw-araw. Laging busy, laging maraming ginajuggle. Ayan. This card advises you to set some boundaries and schedules para hindi ka ma-burn out. Okay? Pwede ring may dalawang financial obligations na kailangan mong i-manage para sa bahay, like renta, bills, investments, etc. The King of Swords energy, isang matalinong desisyon ang kailangan sa home life mo. Aries, this may involve contracts, property, or authority. Pwede kang lumapit sa isang taong logical at experienced. This could be tatay, kuya, partner, or any advisor. Be objective, tanggalin ang emosyon, piliin ang long-term benefits. Okay? The Ace of Wands energy, panibagong simula ito, Aries. Maaring bagong bahay, renovation, redecorating, or simpleng new energy at inspiration sa home environment ninyo. Pwede ring bagong house rule, family project, o paglipat. This card brings excitement, opportunity, and creativity sa bahay. Okay? Now, bonus, King of Swords. Okay, the King of Swords, the Sun, kaliwanagan at clarity ito, Aries. So, pag pinagsama, ang King of Swords at the Sun ay nagsasabing kung may mga issue o kalituhan ngayon sa pamilya mo, sa love life mo, sa tahanan, maliwanag na ang sagot ang darating. May sagot na darating. May truth na lalabas, may desisyong magiging malinaw para sa iyo, Aries. At ang resulta nito ay healing, joy, and abundance. Okay, so Aries, ang puso mong minsan nasaktan, okay, summary, ay muling magniningning. Okay, panahon na para palayain ang nakaraan, yakapin ang bagong pag-ibig, at tamasin ang saya at ginhawa sa tahanan ng tahanan. Ikaw ay hindi lamang minamahal, Aries, kundi pinipili, kinikilala, at kinikilingang muli. Okay, so advice dito, recommendations para sa mga crystals na dapat din yung laging suotin, bilhin o gamitin para sa love, relationship, family, and home life. Okay, rose quartz for big love and healing, citrine for abundance, amethyst for release and clarity, and black tourmaline to ground fast-moving energy and to protect your family from any negative influences or mga kulap. Okay, now speaking of mga ganyan sa mga naghahanap, Aries, ng mga pampaswerte, again, sa mga naghahanap ng pampaswerte sa sugal, mga items na nakatulong. Like for this example, I have this new red string. This is 790 for blessings, good fortune, suwerte, protection, and for love. Okay, 790 may inclusions na. For more items, mga pampaswerte, pambalik sa person na nawala para magkabalikan, reconciliation bracelet. I have also necklace, mamili lang kayo. May kasama na may libre ng private reading. Basta bumili lang kayo ng mga items ko na may inclusions. Mamili lang kayo doon. Na kung ritual naman ang pakay ninyo, ang gusto ninyo, again, bumili lang po ng item. Kasama na yun sa inclusions. Libre po sa akin dito ang private reading. Libre ang paritual. Libre ang distance reiki. Bili lang po ng mga items na ino-offer ko. Okay, so website, makikita nyo dito, www.bonamagosph.com, or pumunta sa FB page ko, Bola Magos PH na may blue check, verified na ni Meta, at magtanong kayo sa akin para i-message niyo ako para kung may mai-recommend akong mga items para sa inyo. Okay, na makakatulong sa mga pinoproblema ninyo or whatever. Okay, so maraming salamat, Aries, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood. Ingat po and God bless.